still think freelancing is only for techies and designers. Let me tell you something no one told you before. You, as a teacher, already have what it takes to earn online. And today, I'll prove it with 5 skills you already use every single day. Skill number 1. You can explain complex ideas in a way that even a 7-year-old understands. That's not just teaching. That's what content creators and course designers are paid for. Skill 2. Communication. You manage classrooms, hold attention, and speak clearly, which makes you perfect for virtual trainings, YouTube videos, or even voiceovers. Skill 3. Organization and time management. You already handle lesson plans, deadlines, and assessments, which is basically what project managers and virtual assistants do online. Skill 4. Writing. From report cards to lesson notes, you already have the foundation to become a freelance writer, curriculum designer, or blog editor. And Skill 5. Empathy. You know how to support different learning styles and communicate with humans. This makes you a natural fit for coaching, customer service, and online community roles. So if you've ever said, "I'm just a teacher," remember, you're also a mentor, a planner, a communicator, and a creator. You already have the tools. All you need is direction. If you want to start freelancing but don't know where to begin, drop a light bulb emoji in the comments, and I'll share a list of platforms perfect for teachers. Share this with a fellow educator who needs this push today, because you're not starting from scratch.